it. And I think all I got to do is just so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run this through here. And again, like my whole point in doing this is to show you that, like, hey, look, if I can, I want to share with someone else it's called, then stick around and watch the video. Rocker up here switches. So, and I can push them out and go straight down to the battery. The best thing to do here is with the rocker switches and brought it in here. I hooked it up to the one. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. I brought it. So wire there. So we got that out. Nope, we got to strip that wire too. It says that it will show up to 3 nautical miles. I don't know if that's true or not. So I hooked this pole up a couple days ago. Kind of a mess. So I kind of consolidated all my negative wires. So this light pole works fantastic. My battery switch works. Oh, I'm finally done. Let me show you what I was able to. Finally done. I hooked up my stern. You saw me hooking everything up earlier. Everything. Show you everything I hooked up. Let me turn these lights out real quick. This is the light that I just hooked up. So that's that guy. Consolidated on my wires. I think it looks a lot nicer now up there because I plan on installing some rocker switches. I installed a battery up front underneath the deck. It's just full along the outside as well, but just because I think it'll look cool. I can't even go fishing yet. I'm not willing to freeze to go catch fish. So those are the lights that I got all hooked up. So yeah, the other one goes in my fish finder. It's an LED. It's not, overall, I feel like it's a pretty easy install. Battery's going to be for is I'm going to replace, do I really need to do it? No, but I live in Ohio. That's what it looks like right now. I think it's really, I am going to go fishing sooner or later because come and join me. So anyway, yeah, I hope that you'll come and join me. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I promise I'm definitely ready to go out and catch some bass. Got some new lures, and I can't wait to start making videos of me actually catching fish. All right, I'll see you next time.